In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and complete setup of Canon Pixma TR7820 All-in-one printer. Thank you. Plug in the power cable. Let's start the setup process. Switch on the printer, press the power button. You can lift this screen and press it once. This printer is a touch screen printer and we have to just do everything from here. Select the language, confirm it. Next step is to open the paper tray and load the paper. Paper tray is here at the bottom. You can adjust the size and you can load letter size A4, B5, A5. So lots of options are there. This printer has two paper trays, so one is here, one at the back. But in the initial setup, we have to load paper here. Go to the screen. It's asking if we want automatic updates. Yes, enable it. Next step is to load the ink. For that, we have to lift this section. Next step is to load the ink. For that, we have to lift it. So place your hand on one side and then lift this section. Next step is to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Open the seal. You will see there is another orange seal at the bottom of the print head, so we have to remove this. This is the black. To install the ink, we have to press this and lift it up. So it says black and color. Simply place it here. Place the front section in. That one goes under that lock and then it will settle here. Now you can close it. Same with the coloring cartridge. Push the front end downwards. It will settle itself and then close it. To close it, just lift it once and let it go itself and then go to the printer display panel. It will ask you to start the alignment and we have already loaded the paper, so press OK. Press OK. Start print. So it's going to take around 5 minutes. Paper output tray is here, so we can just slide it out. Go to the printer display panel, click on the next. Click next, agree with the terms and conditions. If you want to take part in a survey, you can do that, or you can just cancel it and click on the next. Setup is complete and you are ready to copy. Next step is to connect this printer with the smartphone or your computer. So click yes. It says install the app to continue and enter the process. We can do using the display panel, so click on the exit and click on the finish. You will see the main screen of the printer. To do the wireless setting, we have to first click on the setting icon, scroll down, click on the printer setting, select LAN setting. It will give you the list of wireless networks in its range. Select Wi-Fi. Select Wi-Fi setup. There are so many options here. The easiest is using the manual connect. So right now select your network. Use one router only. Press OK. Select the first MAC address. Now enter your Wi-Fi password using this panel. Once you enter the complete password, press OK to enter and then press OK again to apply the password. Printer is connected with the home Wi-Fi. Press OK. Now click on the home button. You will see the wireless signal is showing up here. Next step is to add this printer in a smartphone. In the iPhone or your smartphone, you have to download the Canon Print App. Open this app and you can download it from the App Store. To add the printer, we have to click on the Add switch, Register printer. Wait for your printer to appear. Once you see Canon TR7820 series, select it. Close this window. Close again. You can see your printer on the top, and below we have all the icons. We can print photos, we can do the scanning. So let's start with the printing. For example, if you have any document, you can just send a print command, or you can just go to your photos, you can print even the photos. So I'm going to print this page. Click on the next and then click on the print. Print quality is great. Press OK. Close this window. For scanning, we can use the scanner bed for scanning the passport or IDs, or we can use ADF tray to scan multiple pages. For example, for these two pages, we can just place them in the ADF tray. So they should be facing up like this. Once you hear the sound, then go to the smartphone and click on the scan icon. Click on the scan. Automatically it will detect the scanning. Scanning is done and both the pages are here. If you want, you can save it, or you can just send it if you want to send it to the email or any other place. So this way we can do the printing and scanning. For copy, again we can use the scanner bed that is here, or if you want, you can also use the ADF tray. For example, to print a page, I can place it here and just hit the copy button on the screen. You can click standard copy or any other kind of copy, and once you are ready, click on the black or color. So that is the copy. So this way we can do the complete setup of the printer, and then we can start using it for copy, print and scan. If you want to know how to set up this printer with the laptop, MacBook, then you can watch my videos on that. Thanks for watching.